All right, so you click on the link and it will redirect you to this form. So you just put in your first name and your last name. And when you get to this place that said oh mail ID, remove at yahoo.com or at gmail.com from your email. Let's say your email is Rebecca Akeni at yahoo.com. Remove at yahoo.com and just put Rebecca Akeni on that oh mail space. Then alternate email, just put your full email address as the alternate email. Then create a strong password that you remember for yourself. Make sure it is something that you can remember because this account is very important. After that, click on register to ecosystem and you are in. Registration successful. So you start clicking on next. Congratulations, your welcome bonus has been confirmed and credited into your wallet. 10 credits. Well, that's what I have as a founder. This is unfair. Anyway, so you will see a place at the top that says become an affiliate close to your profile. So you have to fill in this form, put your country Nigeria and sign your name on this part, this empty space under signature. Just sign anything, just write your name, then accept, and you are good to go. You have signed the agreement form with Onpassive. After that, you scroll down and look for OConnect. Look for OConnect, click on OConnect right there and it will open. You scroll down and you look for your 14-day free trial and start now. You have registered for your 14 days free trial. Then you go back again and scroll down and look for OConnect and swipe right, swipe left. You see O tracker, click on it and scroll down and click on start now for your 7 days free trial and you are good to go. You can update your passport photograph, your phone number and all. Then you can, when you move to the bottom if a little, you see this part that says affiliate link. You can copy it and send to any of your friends that you would like to be a part of this opportunity.